words for him. Different gravy.
Yes, that is what it is. He is a different gravy, Ryan Cherky. But before we get into Ryan Cherky, I really want to point out the few players about what I think of them. The first person that I really want to big up is Erling Haaland. और हम सब ने ये बातें सुनी थी प्रीमियर लीग की हिस्ट्री में कि I mean, I kept hearing it from a lot of fans. I kept hearing from a lot of commentators, pundits, that if you get a 20-goal season in the Premier League, that is a very good season. Anything above it, and you're winning something, you seriously had one of the best seasons. And this guy, just in 17 matches, has scored 19 goals. I mean, spare a thought on people who just doubted him or whoever thought that he's not going to become what he is becoming right now. And I mean यार 19 गोल मारना एक सीजन में, वो भी 17 गेमों में, we are not even halfway at our season, is amazing यार, amazing. This guy is a cheat code, we all know that, and we as Man City fans are really lucky to have him, because mind you, it is very difficult to score those goals. And someone pointed out in the live watch along as well कि भाई, you don't give Erling Haaland 2 chances. If he does not score in the first, he would in the second, I think. And to be fair, he should have scored even more. अगर थोड़ा सा उसका और heading improve हो जाएगा, तो I think he would have scored even more. And but enough of Haaland यार. We have talked enough about Haaland. His presence in the box is too good, and he's so dedicated. इतना ज़्यादा he is up for this season that it was just a matter of time. But the other player I really want to emphasize on is Tijani Reinders. And I say this because अगर आप उन थोड़ा सा tactical aspect में देखोगे, and if you see what he's been doing in terms of his heat map, now you would see that he's more of a 10 than an 8, which is a bit weird, because हमने जब उसे खरीदा था, the whole point of him having in our team was to have legs in midfield and a person who could carry the ball and drive it through, and then be available as an extra man on the box as well, which I kind of think उसने किया था in starting के matches में. But I don't know, maybe this is the best this is the best position that we have for him in our team, because भाई मैंने दोनों गेम में देखा, मैंने ब्रेंटफोर्ड वाले गेम में भी सेम चीज़ नोटिस की थी, और इस गेम में भी, कि ही इज़ प्लेइंग वे अहेड फ्रॉम अ ट्रेडिशनल 8th पोजीशन. बट मे बी दिस इज़ व्हाट पेप हैज़ नाउ रियलाइज कि दिस इज़ हिज बेस्ट पोजीशन. एंड आई थिंक वी शुड कीप अ ट्रैक ऑन हिम कि ये क्या होता है इसके साथ और इस पोजीशन के साथ, बिकॉज दिस इज़ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, विच मीन्स लाइक इफ राइंडर्स इज़ गोइंग टू बी सो एडवांस्ड, then again, I don't want to jinx it, but ये same problem हो सकती है जो पिछले सीज़न हो रही थी, when Bernardo and Kovacic and everybody were playing. We just don't have legs in the midfield. So I don't know, maybe it was tactical, maybe Pep thought in this particular game he wanted to play him there because we need legs in the midfield. तो Bernardo और Nico की midfield would really struggle against a good team. That is what I would say, but I don't want to say too much. मैं कोई पेप गार्डियोला नहीं हूँ, ना ही मुझे उतना आता है फुटबॉल समझ में, जो दिखता है वही बोला मैंने. But yeah, the other player that I really want to focus on is Ryan Cherky. भाई बोलते ही मुंह में स्माइल आ जाती है जैसे उसके बारे में बातें करते हैं. I mean what a guy यार, what a guy. I just fell in love with this guy यार. And I don't want to say this, but yeah, क्या बोलूँ यार, मतलब he is a baller, that is how I put it. और and I said that in one of the videos as well, कि there are only few players left in the world whom you would want to watch irrespective of whichever team they play. I think I said Yamal is one, I think Olise is one more. I think someone pointed out in the watch along that Musiala is also one, and I agree. Someone said Pedri, yeah, and there's so many others. But bhai, Ryan Cherky is also one of those players, because I feel what he does on field is something that people can only dream of doing. And by that, what I mean is कि यार maybe it is all about enjoying the game. बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा सिस्टम बेस्ड फुटबॉल देखना इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर आर हेल्थ यार. समटाइम्स वी नीड few players to do something which are outrageous, out of the world, and I think Ryan Cherky does that in regular interval for Man City. I mean, the way he was performing and the way I think now Pep Guardiola and entire Man City team trust him a lot. अब उसको बॉल भी ज़्यादा देते हैं. I think people like Bernardo, people like नूनेज एंड एवरीबडी, वो लोग देखते हैं कि ये कहाँ पर है एंड वो उसको पास भी देने की कोशिश करते हैं. आई रिमेंबर हिम एंड फोर्डन हैविंग दैट ब्यूटिफुल पार्टनरशिप. दे लुक आउट फॉर ईच अदर एंड ही ऑल्सो Ryan Cherky also looks out for spaces where Haaland is, and उसकी passing range भी बहुत अच्छी है यार. And we are discovering new things about Ryan Cherky day in and I said, भाई, this is Ryan Cherky's world and we are just living it, and I love it because for a very long time I have been craving of someone like Ryan Cherky at Man City. I wouldn't, मतलब मैं De Bruyne को नहीं बोलूँगा because De Bruyne ऑलरेडी 10 साल से है हमारी टीम में, बट मैं एक ऐसा और प्लेयर चाहता था यार, जैसे जब हमने मारिस को साइन किया था. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई फेल्ट एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ ऑन द सिमिलर लाइन्स ऑफ दैट, कि वो भी वही सेम चीज़, वही मैजिक है उसके पास. येस, ही हैज़ टू बी मोर कंसिस्टेंट, ही हैज़ टू बी डूइंग इट मोर एंड मोर, बट जितना भी कर रहे हैं यार, ज़्यादा कंप्लेन नहीं करना चाहता मैं. आई थिंक आई एम रियली हैप्पी विथ व्हाट आई हैव सीन ऑफ हिम. And now, for a brief time, we went top of the table. Arsenal came back, and kudos to them because I think it was a tough game at Everton. And this is one thing that Arsenal को आपको credit देना पड़ेगा. Now they have understood how to grind results as well when they're not playing well. They somehow find way to win those matches. And I think even though Arsenal fans would admit कि performance शायद उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, but they would take that result, and so would we, because मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि at this point of season you can't be complaining too much about performances. Yes, performances are going to get better, but जीतना ज़रूरी है. अगर आप जीत रहे हो तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है eventually, and this is what I feel personally. We play Forest next, and after 5-6 days का week है, festive period has begun now, so we play Forest next. It is going to be a difficult fixture because it's away. Sean Dyche, we all know what kind of a डिफेंसिव मास्टर क्लास दे कैन पुट, एंड आई जस्ट होप कि उस गेम में भी हम इसी पॉजिटिविटी से जाएं, जिस पॉजिटिविटी से हम आज गए थे. बिकॉज इफ़ यू गाइस सॉ द मैच, बॉडी लैंग्वेज से समझ में आ जाता है टीम को कि उनका माइंडसेट क्या है. एंड आई थिंक वी वर देयर टू स्कोर दोज गोल्स टुडे. हमको लग रहा था कि आज तो हम आए ही हैं गोल मारने के लिए, एंड मे बी दैट इज़ वॉट आई रियली होप कि सिटी फॉरेस्ट वाले गेम में भी सेम अप्रोच से जाए. बिकॉज आई थिंक इफ़ वी आर देयर, if we go with that positive frame of mind, I think we are going to win that match as well, and then it puts a lot of pressure on other teams. So ज़्यादा लंबा वीडियो बनाना नहीं चाहता because I'm out, but yeah, just one last thing before I cut it out. Watch out for sharks, they're coming.